So this is the first command, directory listing ls command. So whatever the directories are present in the system on which we are connected on cloud, that will be that are reflected by using this command. Now let's try another one, whether it works or not. Right? Let me try this list ls hyphen al. It will formatted listing with the hidden files, right? There are few hidden files in the system that will come up. This command is not working at this particular portal on which we are working, so we can leave it. But this is also one of the command which works in few of the Unix and Linux versions, right? Now let's try whether the next one is working or not, right? Let's see whether it is working or not. Yes, it's working. It is listing all the files after time modification, right? Sorting of the files according to the time is reflected to us, right? What were the different timings and all that? Total 44, and they are showing us that how they are formatted. Listing is there as per the time modification, right? So this is ls space hyphen ld. Right? Now let me try this one and let me give a space here whether it's working in the after giving space. Right? Now let me try it. Yeah, it is showing. Actually, in that command we have not given the space, but see, after giving the space ls space hyphen al, it is giving me all those directories also which are hidden, right, which I was not able to see with the command ls. Right now, after that we are having a cd dir, right? cddir is the command which is changing the directory to the another directory, right? So we're saying this kind of a directory is not here. Okay, fine. Now let me move to my home directory. Right, I am in the home directory now. If I want to change my directory, I can move with that. Now let me see my present working directory. PWD is a present working directory. Which one is a present working directory? Fine. So PWD, it told me, it is telling me that you are right now at home, then on works directory, right? I'm then now creating a directory. Now let us create a new directory. So I am going to make a new directory with my command make directory. Let me make it third year, right? Third year. Let me make it third year, and your section is C, right? So I'm making this directory third year C section. Now let me see whether it could be no. Now I have created it. Now let me check it whether it is now I have to move to the another directory, right? So I'm writing here CD and I'm writing the name of that directory, that third. Okay, before that, let me see whether it has been created or not by using the ls, right? By using ls, let me see whether it has been created or not. Yes, it is created. See here, it is being created third underscore C, right? So let me change my directory now. I am currently in the directory of, right? This is my current directory. Let me again write present working directory is this. Now I have to change my directory into the third year so that whatever I will do, those things will be saved in my third year section C directory, right? So I'm writing here change directory, then the name of my directory, that is a third underscore year, right? Underscore C section, right? So I'm entering here. Fine. So right now I am in this directory, right? So let me see what is present in this directory, right? Now I have created this directory just now, so I'm not having any of the files in it. So even then let me apply ls and see what is here. So there is no file here. Okay. So what happens, because I don't have any file, now I have to place a standard input file into the file, right? Or I need to create a file, right? So let me write here. Let me try and write cat file. File name could be any file, right? All right. Let me write it first, right? Let me see whether something happens or not, right? Yeah. Now see whether anything happens or not. So this is the cat file we have. Places a standard input into the file, right? So these are the few commands we have with us. More about more files we will be discussing later on, right? So these are the few commands through which we can understand what are the various commands of Unix and Linux, and what are their purposes, right? These all are the file commands. So we will be uh, we can make more commands as well, right? So let me